In this video, I'm going to show you one way you can use your When in Doubt Chalk Couture Transfer in less than 10 minutes. Coming up next. Hi everyone, I'm Diette and welcome to TurtleCreativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today we have a Chalk Couture project. Today's project, you will need the When in Doubt Transfer, the Hexagon Surface, the multi-tool, a squeegee, the 4-inch squeegee, the fuzzing cloth. I'll be using the bright white chalk paste and some green glitter. Remember, you will also need a water bath or access to a sink so that you can clean your transfer. Let's get chalking. All right, so when in doubt, add glitter. I'm going to flip that over and write when in doubt. And then I'm going to go ahead, peel off my transfer, and I'm going to begin to fuzz that up. Smoothing it out, lifting up. I'm going to fuzz it up 3 more times. And remember, fuzzing it up allows for a little bit of fuzz to get on the back of your transfer, because when you're using a new transfer, it is very sticky, and this prevents your transfer from stretching out of place when you use it. Okay, I'm adding the transfer down onto my surface. I'm going to go ahead and use my 4-inch squeegee to remove any air bubbles that is underneath the transfer. And this is going to ensure that the chalk paste will go down smooth, and that when I pull it up, it has a wonderful display of the words. Going ahead to open up our chalk paste. With our multi-tool, I'm going to just give it a little stir. And then I'm going to begin to add some of the chalk paste onto my transfer. And because this is one color, any of the leftover chalk paste I will be able to save into my jar for next time. I'm going to go ahead and put any of the excess back into the jar. And my multi-tool is actually going into my water bath. Now taking my squeegee, I'm going to go ahead and smooth my white chalk paste all over my transfer, pushing the chalk paste through the screen. Making sure I have all of the edges. I see a piece of the D that needs some more chalk on there. Pushing it through all of the letters. And now we're ready for the reveal. 1, 2, 3. Voila! Next, I'm going to add some glitter. And this is some new glitter. So I needed to open it. And I'm going to now lift the top up, and I'm going to sprinkle the glitter right on to where it says glitter. All right. I'm going to tilt it over. And there we have it. When in doubt, add glitter.